Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Cash App QR code from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and what this would be is a redirect to your profile on Cash App or your payment gateway, and there are actually a bunch of different applications that you can add to the QR code. So it can be a simple redirect, it can be a send money or receive money function, so it's really up to you guys, but to actually do it is quite simple. So what you guys need to do is you would first want to open your Cash App using the QR code, and you can do so by going to the card tab on your Cash App home screen as it says so here. And step 2, you would select the green activate button, so it looks a little something like this, as you can see. And from there, you would want to select OK when your Cash App application asks for permission to use your camera. And here's where you actually get to scan the QR code. Now, every iOS device actually has a built-in QR reader, be it on your screen or with the use of your camera on your phone. And to do so is quite simple. And you just have to activate it, give it permission, and authorize to integrate with Cash App, and you guys should be done. Now, if you guys don't have the QR code, you could go to the card tab and select the green activate button, rather, and select activate without QR code and enter the CVV located at the back of your physical card and basically follow the on-screen instructions suggested by the application itself. And to show you guys what I mean, it looks a little something like this. So here's the actual QR code. Here's the interface for Cash App. Simply click on the dollar sign to actually do the QR scanning, and it would come out looking like this, as you can see. Now, the options that you have here are you can share it if you so desired by clicking on this button right here, and you can share it to different platforms, or you can save a copy of it on your phone. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.